Hello friends, this is Kunal Shangani welcoming you all in my channel। कुछ दिन पहले मैंने और मेरे फ्रेंड्स ने शार्क टैंक का सेटअप क्रिएट किया, जहाँ पर मेरे कुछ फ्रेंड्स शार्क्स बने थे, मैं और मेरा एक फ्रेंड बिजनेसमैन बने थे एंड हमने अपना एक छोटा सा बिजनेस आइडिया प्रेजेंट किया और हमें कुछ फाइनेंस की नीड थी तो वो हमने शार्क्स के सामने रखी। फिर शार्क्स के सामने हमने अपना पूरा बिजनेस प्लान, पूरा जो भी हमारा बिजनेस के बारे में डिटेल्स थी वो प्रेजेंट की शार्क्स के सामने। फिर शार्क्स ने हमसे कुछ क्वेश्चनिंग की, वो हमने अच्छे से उनको एक्सप्लेन किया। फिर जो हमारे कैपिटल की नीड थी वो शार्क्स ने आपस में देख के हमको वो कैपिटल प्रोवाइड किया। तो ये सारा एक्टिविटी हमने शूट किया और छोटा सा एक वीडियो बनाया इस पर। ये पूरी एक्टिविटी में मैंने और मेरे फ्रेंड्स ने बिजनेस और फाइनेंस के बारे में बहुत सारा नॉलेज गेन किया। तो आप भी ये वीडियो को एंड तक ज़रूर देखना और मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में बताना कि आपने इस वीडियो से क्या सीखा और आपको ये वीडियो कैसा लगा। तो और वेट नहीं करते हैं, स्टार्ट करते हैं शार्क टैंक।
Good evening, guys. My name is Ronak Kumar Rupeja, and we are going to open our company, which is named by Nikhil Kunal Ventures Private Limited, and he is my partner.
Hello friends, my name is Nikhil and I am the co-owner of the Nikhil Kunal Ventures Limited.
And our company will doing the work of consultancy. Like we will suggest you in which platform you have to invest, in which platform we will hire a higher professional who will suggest you, who will give you higher advantages, like how can you invest in those companies. Like we will give you examples. Like our professionals will give you a lot of advice on PAN card, Aadhaar card related, like how can you open your account, how can you get PAN card, Aadhaar card very easily. They will guide you. And also our professional will give you a lot of profit. Like they will give you a lot of advices, like how can you make your career, how can you get loan very easily, how can you think for your health. And also they will suggest you for invest your money and time to real estate and marketing. They will guide you a lot of good things to you. And it is also they will also suggest you about the insurance. They will help you like how you can get insurance and which type of insurance you can get. And in these topics my partner he will explain you about all these things.
My name is Nikhil and my brother has explained brilliantly all the points, so I will continue with the next point. Now we are dealing in a consultancy business. We will gonna run the consultancy business. In that business we are going to provide lot of services. First one I will begin with this service. Now it is very mandatory if you live in India. These are mandatory documents which you carry everywhere, and if you want to do any financial activity in the country like India, then you need these documents. So we will help you to open these kind of documents and other documents also, government documents like birth certificate and any agreement, rental agreement or loan agreement, or you can say any type of agreement, any government document. If you want to make, you will come to us. Our professionals will help you and get you at your residence. Apart from this, we are going to provide you how to pay utility bills at a very fast rate. We will help you to make your bill payments regularly, your credit card payments, loan payment very quickly. These cover in this part how to pay the loan repayment or loan amount very quickly. Second one is insurance. Now we don't know how long we will live, then everyone is doing their insurance. So our professionals will help you which insurance policy is better for you. Which insurance policy is better for your spouse, for your parents, grandparents, according to their age, according to their budget. They will let you know, they will guide you. I will say guide, they will guide you and make your insurance plan better. Now career, comes to the career. In today's generation, everyone is very quite confused about what to opt for. Whether to go for commerce, arts, science, what is my skill, what is my hobby, what are my cravings, habits, good habits or skills. So our professionals, experts, they are doctors, they have done PhDs in various fields which will help you to get to the good course and do wonders in that course. Like as I said, brief about the loan. Now you might have come across many scams happen in India. There are people who take loan from the bank and they run away because they are left without any money. They are not able to make their payments, make their installment payments on time. So that's why bank collapse, economic collapse. So we have joined hands with our bank. We hired the professionals who are working in a bank since quite like long time, so they will guide you, guide common people, businessmen, or we will guide bank how they will collect their loans and make their non-performing assets or bad loans into good loans. Second last is health. I just covered in insurance, but here we will give you health tips, how to maintain your body, how to maintain your physics, how to be stay healthy and energetic. Every person, they hardly have any time to give to their health. So we will provide you best services, give you best health tips according to your age, your requirement, and make your healthy life. Last but not the least, here we cover most of the part because now and then you are seeing that every person is investing, but they don't know where to invest. So we hire portfolio managers, we hire analysts, we hire various managers. They will do analysis, they will find out various investment opportunities for you and for common people, because for them it is very difficult, like it is skyrocket for them, or it is rocket science for them to find a good investment option. So we will help them to invest in good and get a good return from them. Now for this we need to start our business, we need 50 CR. So in that 50 CR we are going to invest. We are the owners, so we will invest 80%. We are the owner of company, 80% of the owner, and we need loan from bank, 5% loan from bank, and the rest 15% we need from the market. We need from the public, or I have better option from them, because we are new. We are going to open our business, so very few people will come. Because they see our business plan, some may like our business plan, some may not like. So I have option. We need to hire, or we are going to hire a team of 20 experts. So we will give them remuneration. We will give them remuneration based on their services, because they are giving professional service on a behalf of us. So we will give them remuneration. Apart from this, we will give them our company stake. So there is a one joint alignment of interest between this, because let's say if I hired 20 experts, okay, so if they do good, they will get the remuneration, they will get the commission. But sometimes because of this conflicts between management and the owners, we are the owners, so there might be some conflicts between management and owners in future. So they will think for themselves. Experts will think for themselves. They will take our customers and they capture the customers, and in my future they will start their own business. So there is a threat in our business. So I will give them stake. So if they will perform bad, eventually our company will perform better, and their stake will increase. If they are holding 1% and if they are doing good, so their interest or their service, if they are providing good service, company stake will increase, their stake will increase. So it's a mutual benefit for both. So that's why I'm giving these 15% stake to them. Not everyone. All 15% we will issue public. We will go to the public market and ask for money. If we don't fulfill 15%, then we will give them stake. Now, all these things require this here. So we will buy from this source of amount. We will buy one software. We need one software to manage this kind of data, because we are giving the services. We are providing services, rendering services. So we have to make each and every data. We have to make the data of every person, and there are thousands or lakhs of customers will approach us, and we have to make each and everyone's data. So we need a software, heavy software, which will take that burden, make that format of every data for each and every customer. So we need a good software for this. We need experts. This is our capital. The name all done. Main products are done, and this is done. So this is all from our side. This is our business plan. Now it's up to you. If you have any questions, you can ask. Now, experts, they are also using fintech with the help of technology. They are using AI and they are using their own knowledge. We see it's a crucial, it's a privacy data. If you are coming if you approach us for investment, if we will leak your data, it is illegal activity. And in order to make good customer base, we are not going to do this. And all are secure. These are our own team. They will not leak your valuable information. And it's a privacy, and you only know the credentials of your account. We only need your data. What is the requirement? What is the investment horizon? What is your age? What is your health routine? That type of data, for that large amount of data, we need AI. Otherwise, we need to record on book paper, and that will take lots of hours. But we are going to have a good AI software. We need AI because now, if you involve finance, we need fintech.
Another question, guys.